And welcome back to the GCC. Today is a Star Wars mystery box. And by the look of the top of the box, it's bounty hunters. Because you got IG-88, Boba Fett, Bosk, Ilum, and Forlom. Okay, let's crack this open and see what's in it. These Galaxy boxes come out, 4 times a year. And the value in them is more than what you pay for the box. So let's crack this puppy open and see what's in it. Alrighty, the plastic's off, and here we go. I'll try not to look. First thing on top is a notepad, Lando. It looks like one you put on a refrigerator because there's a magnet. Oh, sorry. Magnet for put on the refrigerator. And there's Lando Calrissian. Okay, next. I'll put that to the side. That's the cheat sheet. Let's see. Or was that the cheat sheet? That's the cheat sheet. Okay, this is postcards. I don't know who sends postcards nowadays, but let's see. See what's in here. Okay, got 3 postcards. There's Bosk. I think that's Ventra. And Chad Bane. He was in the Clone War series and made a guest appearance on the Book of Boba Fett. And here we have a fanny pack. Wow. And it in the style of Boba Fett. And next, oh, this I like. A coin bank of Han Solo and Carbonite. Let's see here. I gotta open this. And here's the bank. It's plastic. That's good in case it gets dropped, it won't shatter. And what Han looks like when he's carbonite, encased in carbonite on, or in The Empire Strikes Back. That will be added to the bank collection. Okay, I'll put that back in this box for a later date. And we got let's see. Okay. A glass tumbler of Han Solo. That's probably glass. Okay. Next will be what the heck is it? Oh, windbreaker. And is it in my size? I hope it is. It looks it. Yep, 3X. And on the back of it, it's got basically the card game that they play in Star Wars that Han Solo won the Millennium Falcon from. And that is it for the box. The jacket, I like. Oh, wait, let's see. Okay, yeah, that's the postcards. I'll put all that back. And we have a thing from Culturefly. It's basically advertising all their mystery boxes. As you can see, they have Marvel, Avatar: The Last Airbender, Disney, The Nightmare Before Christmas, Friends, Zelda, Star Wars, Demon Slayer, Super Mario, Mickey Mouse, Friday the 13th, Warner Brothers, The Office, Beetlejuice, Animal Crossing, Naruto, and Nintendo. And here's the cheat sheet. Everything I've pulled out. And Jango Fett Emerald Pin. I didn't see the pin, but then again, the box did drop out of my lap, so it's probably maybe laying in the floor. Because I like the pin. And that's it. And there's the cheat sheets. Basically the same picture that's on the front of the box. And that'll be it for today. I hope you guys enjoy it. Enjoy the video. Now for the usual. Please leave a comment if you like the video. Thumbs up it. And subscribe and be part of the GCC family, which you can only do on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button. It's free, so you don't pay nothing. You get notifications, and hit the little notification bell so whenever I post a new video, you'll get a notice that it's out. So, until I'm working on 2 more videos, hopefully they'll be out this week, and have a good day. And in the words of Boba Fett, He's no good to me alive. Oh, no, wait a minute. That's, he's no good to me dead. Sorry about that. Well, until next time, enjoy yourself. Stay healthy. Bye-bye.